Hey, it's Peter Voog, and this might be one of the most important videos I've ever made for you, as it could totally change the direction of your life and business. I want to let you know this is your last chance to get into the legendary Game Changers Academy without having to apply and for an insane 88% discount. As you know, this is the premier networking community and mastermind program out, and it's going back up to full price in a couple hours. Look, an opportunity is only an opportunity if it's taken full advantage of, and I assure you, this is one you don't want to miss out on. If you don't feel like your ambition matches your bank account, if you want to get around higher level people and improve your network, if you need clarity and a proven roadmap to follow, or you want more predictable and consistent income, or you need mentorship, accountability, and real guidance, there's nothing more proven than the Academy. All the details are below. You can click the link, or you can also go to GameChangersMovement.com/yes, but you got to take action. This is not just another program or another mastermind. This is the most proven community out, endorsed by Forbes, Entrepreneur Magazine, Huffington Post, Success Magazine, and we have over 550 testimonials. This is my flagship program, and thousands of entrepreneurs have came through the Academy and collectively generated tens of millions of dollars of profit, but more importantly, created lifelong friendships, lucrative partnerships, and a lifestyle that they're proud of. Look, it's not about age anymore. It's not about experience. It's not about where you're from. It's about two things: your network and having a proven roadmap. And this gives you both. Remember, you also have a 100% money back results guarantee, where if you don't feel like this is the best program out and you don't feel your confidence, your certainty, your clarity, your results go up, let us know and you get a full refund. So there's zero risk, and the only real risk is inaction. Look, if you're looking for permission or a sign, this is it. And there's no perfect time, so don't wait like most people. Don't wait till your back's against the wall. If you're serious about success this year and you really want to finally make this the year that you break out and you really reach that high level of success, this is the time. If you have that nagging pull inside to impact more people and to get to a new level of results, this is the time. So I'd strongly recommend taking advantage of this before it's too late. It's not going to come around again, and the price is going back up very soon. And even at the full price, it's worth it, but why not take advantage of 88% off? And that's insane, and we've never given that discount. So it's time to finally make up for all the times in your life where you didn't give your all or where you cut corners, because now matters more than ever. Take control of your future, get around heavy hitters and game changers, and bet on yourself, because most people don't. So we'll see you on the inside. Looking forward to helping you guys. And this isn't just a program, this is a movement. This is a family. So we're excited to have you on board.